Hi everyone, my name is Ivan, and today I want to talk to you guys about a question that's always been brought up in a lot of our product development meetings and a lot of our internal discussions. And that question is, what does the industry want? Before I get into that, I have a quick slide, just more of housekeeping. My marketing manager kind of forced me to do this one. So just in case you don't know who we are a racking mounting supplier. We were founded in 2007 in Melbourne, Australia. We have over 10 gigawatts of worldwide installations. We are currently number one, or for many years now, number one in Australia for racking. And we have a global offering of solar mounting products. All right, Samir, I hope you're happy with that one. All right, so back to the question. So what does the industry want? So we managed to break this down to three main areas, or I like to call it the three pillars. So number one is to save time. So this could be things like improving efficiencies within your company, streamlining processes in order to save time so you can spend more time with your clients, spend more time working on more sales, or maybe spend more time with your family. The third pillar was be proud of our work. So I think us people in the solar industry, we're really proud and passionate about our work. We like to take photos of our install. We are really passionate about our proposals, about the sales. We sell on value. And there's a lot of great satisfaction when we get great reviews. We can put it on our website, or we can showcase that. So I think we're really proud about being proud of our work. And lastly is connecting and collaborating. So, I mean, this is evident today. We like to come together. We like to share ideas and discuss and provide feedback. And we're really passionate about this area. So these are the three main pillars that we believe is what the industry wants. So now it comes down to what are the tools? What can Clenergy do to help you achieve in these areas? So number one, in saving time, we have a tool called EasyQuote. So EasyQuote is a free-to-use online BOM tool. Here you can work out your roof mount, your ground mount projects, and you can create BOMs in under a minute. It's really easy to use. It has pretty cool features like a shadow calculator for inter-row spacing. And it has all our resources and manuals all in one place. So this tool here, or this software, is designed for you to save time, whether you're in sales or an installer or an engineer. So you can spend more time doing things that you're good at, like sales. The next we have is saving time with our local support team. So in Melbourne, we have a team of almost 8 engineers now. This is in our technical and our engineering team. And we are here to help you guys with your commercial projects, your difficult roofs, your complicated designs. And we can do all sorts of things like engineering certs, pallet load assessments, roof assessments. So these are kind of things that we're trying to alleviate the stress from your end. We try to take it on board on the outside so that, again, we can save time on your side and do the things what you're good at, which is sales. Now let's talk about being proud of the work. So if you're already using Clenergy, I think you should be proud to know that all our products are NADA certified and locally engineered. So this means that it's all tested in AU through rigorous testing methods, and it's all certified locally. So in other words, it's built to last. And there's also other things that you can add to your install that really can make you stand out. So like small things like adding rail caps to your rails, or the new Defender that it's essentially a bird/leaf blocker, or our famous Hollywood racking. So these are little things you can add to your install that can really make you stand out and maybe make the neighbors so jealous that they want one. And they ask questions like, who's the installer? Who's the company that did that? So next we have is connections and collaboration. So again, this is what we're doing right now, or the Cutters event, SEC, All Energy. These are things that Clenergy will continue to support and sponsor, put money to us, because we know how important it is for you guys to come together, network, and talk. And again, it's essential for the growth of our industry. So we know how important that is. And we also have a Facebook group called Clenergy Club. And this group is designed for you guys to not only just share your pretty pictures, but also to give us feedback. What you don't like, what you like, and we take this feedback on and we actually act upon it. So this is direct feedback. You can give it to us. And we base a lot of R&D now from feedback from installers from the field. All right, so that was the 3 pillars, but I just want to quickly talk about digital marketing, seeing that is this the subject for today. In the last 12 months, we have invested heavily into digital marketing. You know, when a lot of companies were cutting down on marketing, we actually employed marketing staff and we poured more and more resource into this. So we created contents like installation videos, new installation videos, how-to videos. For example, we have a how-to easy quote. So instead of giving someone a guide or try to explain to someone on the phone, you can just give them a link now, watch this video, and you got everything there. It just saves so much time. We have a new segment called Convos with Clenergy, and we've been interviewing a lot of big industry leaders, such as one Kane Thornton over there. We also created a bit of a comical video to show how strong our clamp is. We tried to pull a tree down. Again, it was just a joke, but it was pretty funny. And we also, another thing that's really great is we started getting a lot of installer review videos. So this is independent installer review videos. And we started sharing this. Again, this is a great way to showcase your product. Instead of sending them an install guide or a brochure, here, check out this video. So again, we're spending a lot more time and money and resources into digital marketing, and we're seeing the dividends. We're getting a lot of feedback. So if you guys want to hear more about what we're doing in the 3 pillars, you know, saving time, being proud of your work, and, you know, connecting and collaborating. And also if you want to check out some of our new products that are coming soon, stuff like cable management systems, solution for Kingspan roof, concrete roof installs, and many more. So if you want to hear about these kind of things, follow us on our newsletter called the Clenergize Chronicle, and also our other social media stuff, Facebook, LinkedIn. That's all for me. Thanks, guys. And we've got a team of Clenergy people here, so if you've got any questions you'd like to chat, come give us a shout. Thank you.